Welcome back to the channel, my beautiful people. I have a surprise here to show you all. Take a look at this right here. The banana tree has fallen down, my people. And to my surprise, banana already started ripe. I couldn't believe it. Just take a look at that. And luckily, no bird actually messed with it. So yeah, and this was actually what I wanted to do with it, is to put this one to ripe and actually use that one for cooking, you know what I mean. So yeah, right now I'm about to cut it down as we're about to get a portion of rain, as we've been getting some rain all day already. So yeah man, this is really exciting news, my people. Lovely banana.
Nice quality.
Right?
Yeah.
Mom, can I get those tomatoes?
Yeah, actually, that's a good idea.
Yeah.
The tomatoes, because I forgot to buy tomatoes today.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Look at that one.
Here you go.
Let's start ripe. Some ripe ones.
Yeah. Go get a little bowl first.
Step back, Island.
Oh, I'm
the
scared
stain.
inside. Oh!
Rasta, you're using a new knife.
Yeah.
There's a little banana.
Wow, look
Right.
at that.
Oh
I
my
Start
think
right.
they're
god.
actually small bananas, eh?
Yeah, they're small. That's
small
as big
bananas.
as they get.
Do you have
Yeah.
to? Oh.
That's just crack.
Yeah,
It's nothing
Sure,
wrong.
it's not the backs that have scratched
No,
it.
babe, that's why it just crack because it's ripened.
Oh, maybe,
Just checking.
maybe a
Yeah.
crack in the rain of
so
the store.
That is it.
Tomato.
Yeah, you need to get a bowl first, darling. I can't carry all of them in my hand, darling. Arlen's got tomatoes. Wow, harvesting.
Yes, one. First
Maybe
one
we can put them on the table.
ripe from the tree, you know? Straight from the tree. Go put it down for ripe more. And we'll be feasting on this.
Good
Lovely.
job.
Yeah.
Awesome, Dad.
Nice.
And so those bananas, are they small ones too then?
Yeah, it's the same.
Oh, okay.
Curious to see what this one looks like.
Yeah, this
I'll
one's
put them
coming.
on the table.
Yeah, Island, I need a bowl. I need a bowl because I can make salad with this, darling.
Why?
Where is it, babe? Oh, there it is. Nice.
Lovely.
Jamaica.
Put them on my
Farm in
hands,
Australia.
Mom.
Yeah,
You
look
can
at
put them on
Jamaica,
my hands.
I need you to go get a bowl. That's what I need you to do. Go
Okay.
on.
Oh, and that is it.
That is it. Lovely. He's wearing your thong.
Yeah. I told him to get his slippers. He doesn't want it.
Any more cherry tomatoes around?
Oh, those ones aren't ready. It's over there.
Oh, they chopped off. Oh my god.
Yeah, not ones with holes in it. Come on, Island, check those ones down there.
You know it's the rain why they crack?
Oh, really? It's not those ones.
Maybe it's this.
No.
Maybe it's
Why you
this.
see them crack like that is sometimes it's because they overripe and sometimes
Maybe
because
it's
of the
this
rain.
Maybe it's this storm is too noisy. Maybe the shake in the vent on the phone broke.
Yeah.
Maybe
So
that's
those ones not good. Some of them overripe.
Alright, that's cool.
Yeah.
Alright, that's enough then. Thank you.
okay. Let's bring that big banana.
Oh, that's too heavy for you.
No, it's not. See, I can drag on the floor. Look,
Oh no, don't drag it. Don't drag it, Island.
see, I'm the strongest.
Yeah, I know you are.
I am. Dad, I'm going to grab that shovel and dig. See?
Alright, let's go. Alright, so what I'm about to do is break off one of the banana. Hold on camera, follow me please. Hold on. Come on, track me. Look at me. This is where I'm at, camera. Alright, so just take this one off. I'm gonna be trying it. If it actually tastes good or not. Sweet. Very sweet. Yes, man. Lovely, my people. This is amazing. Super ripe. Very, very sweet, no joke. I man, it's shot. There you go. First banana harvest ripe on the tree. Well, the other one will be for cooking, you know, porridge and, you know, boiled banana and everything there. But this one, we decide, say, I'll be leaving it for ripening, and that's exactly what I did. So, what can I say? Let's take a look again. Ooh. Yeah. Come here. Alright, so babes, so she needs some beans. So right about now, I'm harvesting some dwarf bean. Yeah, man. So as you all can see, that's how they look. Some nice dwarf bean. On a rainy day, we had a portion of rain just now, and you know, seem like more rain about to come, so just gonna be picking these. Just picking the mature ones. Wow, it's actually a lot on there. Go look at those. First harvest of dwarf bean for this season. Lovely. That's just 2 3. Yeah, and that's what we got off so far off the first crop. Let's see if I can find some on these ones. Yeah, there's some on here. You see that? That one, quite a few there. Look at that. There's a smaller bunch here. A few on it. Check this. Check these ones now. Lovely. so this is the harvest, my people. Yeah, man, first crop of dwarf beans. Lovely. Alright, so babe says she need 2 capsicum, which is sweet pepper. So, oh, as you can see, they're changing color. See it like it's getting red. But yeah, man, these 2 are changing color. And just gonna be cutting them. See the color on it. Yeah, man. So these 2, they're not as big as normal caps, sweet pepper. So just start with banana. What do you have left?
Yeah,
These are the big ones?
yeah, I'll probably these.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, probably them 2 there.
I'll take 2 of the big ones.
Yeah, well,
Oh, so you plant these yourself?
yeah, yeah,
Oh, nice.
yeah.
Lovely.
Yeah, no, they had a good season, they did.
Yeah, very nice. Please.
Enjoy.
Yeah, thank you.
No worries.
Alright, so take a look at this. That's what's left of the banana, my people. Yeah, man, so I gave away some to my friend and also my father-in-law. You know what I mean? And yeah, we've been just feasting on banana every day, every morning. You know what I mean? And yeah, it's just been amazing to actually just eat straight from the garden. You know what I mean? So tie it up here and yeah, I mean, it's been really, really good. Like the banana is really sweet, like no joke. The banana them sweet. You know, we just been consuming from the top, go down, you know, and cut off an each and give away. So yeah, man. Nice banana. So this is the watermelon plant, and you can see the leaves look really good. Yeah, man, it's look really healthy. And surprisingly, I have watermelon. Take a look at that. It's watermelon there, and there's a few actually. You know, this one would be probably hard to see, but that's one right there as well. So watermelon there. So yeah, man, I'm excited. I've never actually got watermelon like growing like really good. So if this really happens, I'll feel accomplished, you know what I mean? Yeah, man. Even the pepper them now.